All right, y'all, just a quick test of some of the Hoovo high milliamp lipos. So I have in here the 9,000 milliamp, and even though they're only 2S each, they fit in here really good. So the 10,000 should fit in here perfect as well. I showed that kind of when I got them. So I just wanted to kind of run, I know some of you guys wanted to see it too, how these 9,000 120C lipos performing it. So I do have the GPS on there. You guys see that is catching. Don't expect it to go the I guess 55 miles per hour it goes with the 6S, but this is actually, that's not bad. Let's see if we can get a clean pass. I might have to go up top or something, but that's actually decent cruising speed there. So with these, I know you're probably gonna get about an hour runtime or so with those, and that'll be good for anybody that's actually gonna try to run it. So let's see. Oh shoot, I didn't even start it. Dirt. There we go. Let's try this again. It's still enough to make it jump. It could probably almost do a wheelie. Oh, it can. Look at that. That's not bad. Especially for just 4S. Let's see what kind of speeds we got. That's some good, like, general just going out and try to bash and smash speed. So I'm curious what we got with that, with speed there with that. That's not bad. 34 miles per hour. That's not bad at all. I mean, it's definitely, look at that. It's definitely got wheelie popping power. So of course you guys know there's links in the description. If you guys are wondering about that, I'm actually gonna take this off-road for me, and I kind of want to drive around here. Smooth how they just got it all. Man, I forgot it rained and all this grass is down here. Shouldn't be too bad, but that's some good just cruising speed. So with batteries like this in an environment like this is the kind of stuff you would take to an RC car event. If you just want to run some courses and just run it, and you run your car for a very long time. I don't know. I knew I was gonna get caught up in there. I don't know the exact runtime, but I know with some 6,300 milliamps in here that are around the same C rating, even on 6S, I'm getting about 30 minutes or so with it, and that's just going all out. So I can imagine these 9,000s and how they would give you a super long run time. I love how this just climbs up curves. Wish this rain would kind of subside somewhat so I can go to this little construction area that I found around the corner. All right, y'all, I'm gonna, in the next video, I'm gonna get those 10,000s and put them in here. So we saw this went 34 miles per hour with those on there. Make sure it didn't pick up a mile. I didn't start it up anyway, so. All right, y'all, that's gonna be a quick run of these. I wanted to show you guys that they actually fit in there and just some mild performance with them. So 34, 35, you can definitely gear up if you wanted to and still not have to worry about temperature, especially with this being just on 4S. Get the sticky stuff off of there. So anyway, link is down below in the description. Stay tuned, I'm gonna put the 10,000s in here, and then we're gonna run those to see if we can beat this 34 miles per hour that we got. Probably get about 36 or so with that. But don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.